Hi there, hope you are doing great. Today I will review another website that I have developed for my client. Let's get started. First, I will discuss the website. There are 8 pages on the website was made by WordPress using Elementor Page Builder, and a custom booking plugin was developed to complete this website. Now I will show you the full website. So here is the home page. Okay, and here is the popular. This is not a page, this is a section. When someone click here to the popular location section, so here is showing the popular location, and also this is the another section insider tips. So when someone click, it will redirect to the insider tips section for getting more information. Okay, and this is the additional services. This is the separate pages of this website. So here is the informational section pages. So user can get information of this website. Okay, and there are 3 pages in here. More discover, food, must visit, sports. So first of all, I would like to see the food website. So these are food part of this website. Okay, and let's move the must visit. I mean, so you can visit these places. So look at this and get more information from this page. And let's see the spots. Anyone can get idea from here. And this is the review. This is the separate place. When someone click here, it is redirect to the trip advisor. So where our user given review of this website. Okay, so we would like to back the home page. I will discuss and show the booking part of this website. That is complicated part, and that we have developed by a custom plugin. And this actually all board come from through API. So we have used booking manager API for showing the wall board and showing this. Okay, so this is the filter section or search section. So when someone search from here to visit any places, so first of all need to select destination where user want to visit or explore new places. Then secondly select category from here, and third select date range. So is the booking date. User can change the booking date from here by clicking. Okay, but by default it is selecting the 1 week, when it that means tomorrow to next 7 days. Okay, and now click on search button from here. So it is redirect to the all board page. Here is showing the result. There are showing 96 board in here. Okay, according to the filter. So you can get more filter from here. Look at cabin, person, category, then field here. So user can filter from this page. So and user can also book any boat from here and also see full details of this boat from here. So I would like to show details page. So just click here, and here is showing them this boat full details. So you can see, and also the boat information. And if you would like to book a boat, then click request to book or click book now button from here. So both are same. Just click here, it is opening a pop-up and showing the booking form. You need to submit your information, and rest of thing will do the website owner. So just simple booking system, not complicated. So if you would like to visit any places or explore new places, so you can check it out from here. Okay, so if you would like to leave a comment, if you would like to create a website for your business or personal or anything, then comment below. I am web developer, so I will create any type of website for you, and I have almost 5 year experience in this field. Do you need any type of website, or do you have any reference website, so you can share with me, and I will help you to create any type of website and grow your business by online. So thank you so much.